I'm gonna ask the strangers to take photos on them. I'm here in Watford, Casablanca Park. I'm gonna try to keep it safe while doing this. I'm doing it for the first time, so it's normal to feel a little bit nervous, but I'm not afraid of being rejected because some other people want privacy of their lives. That's fine. Filming myself with Sony on a crane, while Nikon D610 for shooting portraits. Next time I'm gonna use my GoPro and strap it on my body to make it easy for me. I need to boost my confidence and patience, otherwise I won't do this again. Fingers crossed. Let's do this. I'm a YouTuber and a photographer. If you like. Really? Cool. Thank you so much. Just gonna put it here. You first. Okay. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and... Yes. You do it like this. It's okay for you. Yeah, cool. You lay back like that. Yes, lovely. 3, 2, 1. You walk away from me. Yes, you do it like that. Please. Yep. Hello, excuse me. Are you alright, guys? I'm gonna take a photo of you guys. Sure. But I'm just gonna do it quickly.
Just walk in.
Hold on.
Just
Are
walk
you lovers?
Yeah.
Mark, can you hold it close, please?
Just walk.
Just walk, yep. Just talk to each other, please. Like that, I like that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Excuse me, sir. Hello, you alright? Yeah. I'm doing YouTube videos. I'm a YouTuber and a photographer. Ah, you Paul. I'm Vic Joe. I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, cool. Can I take a photo of you while you're taking pictures here?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks. Sorry guys, excuse me. Can I take a photos of you? I'm a YouTuber and a photographer, if you don't mind. Cool. Cheers. Yeah, lovely. 3, 2, 1, and... You like an experience? Thank you so much. Yes. It's thank you. Just message me.
Of course, yeah. Thank you so much.
Yep. Hello. You alright, guys? Cool. Can I take photos of you? I'm a YouTuber and a photographer, if you don't mind. Can I take a photo? Yeah. Cool, lovely. I don't think so. I just got more than 2,000 subscribers at the moment.
We look terrible. Can I take my jumper off?
I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Sure.
Can Can you make it not look like a couple as well?
Because we're not a couple.
We're not
Yeah,
a
yeah,
couple.
yeah, yeah.
Who's ready for this?
Yep. And then post, please. We're gonna do first one. Cool, lovely. Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You're really good.
Thanks
I'm
for
so
coming.
bad with those.
Just that
Ready?
good.
3, 2, 1. Lovely.
What's your YouTube channel? Oh, they click it. Thank you so much. Good luck with your YouTube channel.
Yep. Thanks. Hiya, excuse me. Can I take a photo of you guys? Is it alright? We're just gonna do it quickly. Can we do it here?
Yeah.
Cool, cool, lovely. Thank you. Have any experience with this? Oh, cool, that's
So I
fine, that's
used to
fine.
model when I was younger.
Lovely, sorry. Can we, can we do the side, please? Side of the tree. Cool, lovely. Cross your feet, please. As long as you're comfy, we're gonna do it first time. Really. Can we remove that? So sorry. I'm so demanding, I think. 3, 2, 1, yeah. I like your style, guys. I like your style. I like your look. Cool. Is it alright with you? Oh, lovely. Don't worry. We're gonna choose a nice photo for this. Just look at here, please.
Sorry.
That's fine, that's fine. Message me and then we'll send you the photo, yeah? Cool. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello guys, you alright? Cool. Can I take a photo of you? Hello. Excuse me guys, can I take a photo of you if you don't mind? Cool. Is it alright? Alright, lovely. Sorry guys, I'm gonna take a photo of you. I'm doing YouTube videos, I'm a YouTuber and a photographer, if you don't mind. Cool. That's lovely, have a good day guys. Cool. Sorry guys, can I take a photo of you? Is it alright to be on YouTube as well?
Yeah.
Sorry to disturb you guys.
No, it's okay.
By the way, here's my page. You can send me a message and then we'll send you the photos. That's nice, cool. Okay, you're doing it front.
Filipino. Are you Filipino?
Cool, yeah, I'm Filipino.
No, I was born in Saudi Arabia.
Thank you guys. Cheers, bye. That was fun. I think I did a good job today. See you next time. Bye.